8.11 is on lethal dose 50, or LD50, and dose response curves. The lethal dose of a chemical is defined as the amount required to kill 50% of a population of a particular species. Now, of course, it varies based on the toxin or the chemical, and of course, it also varies on the species. But let's say we have this very realistic population of 8 fish, and we expose it to varying levels of a toxin. When you have half of that population die as a result of that dose, that is LD50. So in this example, that would be 300 milligrams per kilogram. So it's always expressed in amount per mass. The dose response curve is the mathematical way we express that information. It shows the varying doses and then what percent effect that was. Now, that effect could be the desired effect, the therapeutic effect. It could be the toxic effect. So that could be things like illness, coma, some sort of tissue damage, anything that's not good, but it's not fatal. And then the fatal dose, or the lethal effect, that's the LD50. So to read this graph, if you're trying to find the LD50 of a drug or a toxin, you just look at 50% and then look on the graph to find the dose. So this hypothetical drug has a dose of 100, let's say, grams per kilogram. I don't know. So it's not a terribly complicated lesson. And that's all.